Hi, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston, located on Daniel Island, and today I'm going to take you through a 2019 Boston Whaler 150 Montauk. Starting off with the exterior of the boat, this is the full blue hull color. Got a bimini top, black canvas, white rub rail with stainless steel insert, trolling motor panel at the bow, storage for your anchors forward as well, low profile rails. Forward of the console, there is a removable cooler with a cushioned seat, built-in backrest with rod holders, windshield, and stainless steel grab rail. This boat has the fishing package, which includes tackle storage on the starboard side console, high rails at the stern, fuel tank beneath the helm seat. The backrest on this helm seat is adjustable and moves fore and aft with 4 different locking positions. At the dash, you got a lot of real estate to flush mount your electronics. 2 cup holders on top of the console, in addition to a 12-volt charging port for any of your devices. Another cup holder next to the throttle. Rod holders, cup holders, rocket launchers, and storage for a 5-gallon bucket on both sides of this aft live well. The boat's powered by a 60 horsepower Mercury 4-stroke engine. You got storage within the console. Cup holders in the bow. A lot of casting space forward. Really great, versatile fishing boat or family boat for getting into the creeks. And again, I'm Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston. We're located on Daniel Island, and that is a look at our Boston Whaler 150 Montauk. If you have any questions or interest, give us a call at 843-747-1889 and visit us online at marinemax.com. Thank you very much, and we'll see you soon.